Hi everyone, so this next question is talking about the equilibrium constant expression for a given reaction, and then talking about maybe adding products or reactants and seeing how the equilibrium shifts. So for the first part, it's saying to write down the equilibrium constant expression for this reaction. So we know that this is the equation that we need. And then we have over, and then we know that the top are going to be our products and the denominator are our reactants. So essentially at this point we just have to plug in. So K will equal our product is COCl4, 2 negative, cannot forget brackets, and then our reactants are going to be CO and Cl. And because we have 4 molecules, we have 4 here. And then that's our equilibrium constant expression. So when we talk about directions shifting, if we add CO, this is a reactant in the equation, in the reaction. So if we add a reactant, the equilibrium will have to shift right and move towards the products. So this will be shifting right to try to equal everything out because we're adding more to the left side. And then if we add COCl4, this would be our product, right? So if we add a product, if we add more of a product, the equilibrium will have to shift left, and that's because it'll become equal. If we don't, we won't be able to make it up. So this would be shifting left. And then if we add AgNO3 or silver nitrate, we'll realize, so silver and chlorine will form a precipitate, and if this precipitate forms, the chlorine ions will essentially be lost. So then the equilibrium is going to have to shift left to produce more Cl ions to be able to make up for that loss. So this would be shifting left also.